Well, good morning, folks. Welcome back to the Salt Creek Ranch. I'm Will with Ranching with the Kohlers. This morning, just doing a little bit of a cattle drive. Gonna push all the cows from here down into the bottom, up along that, kind of maybe see that road over there. It's not really a road, but we're gonna push over that way. And we're gonna sort off some more of these girls. Oh, look at that, we got a brown baby. All right. We're gonna tag the new calves, sort off some of these cows in a bowl that need to go to the sale. Anyways, that's what we're doing. Thanks for watching. Just keep this going just for a little bit as I push some of these cows out of here and down. And it'll be a bumpy ride. I am riding Smoke today, and I got Ren with me. Just the two of us. Nice and easy, no real stress. Let them bunch up down there and then we'll continue down. Plenty of feed for them. Oh, Smoke. Went into a tree limb. Okay. In this lane, that's what we were going to move them into tomorrow, but I'm going to keep them on the other side for a few days after we sort these off. Just make it a little bit easier, link them up with the sheep, train the other cows that hadn't been trained to hot wire, and go from there. Guy with white sheath. Huh. A new one. So we had a brown bull in here, Angus. He died this winter. And we got two Angus, black Angus bulls, and then we have two black Angus South Pole bulls. That looking to keep those around. We'll keep one black Angus bull. The other one's got to go. That's one ear. His feet are bad, so we'll get rid of him. But yeah, I don't know who that little bull calf came off of, but like that girl right there standing, she needs to go. She's part Brahma, but she's just not keeping on any condition. Number 4 just surprised me. Got up, I was thinking that she needs to go, but she's not doing terrible. Anyways, I'm gonna sort through a lot of these and see what we can get rid of. Ren, wait. Ren, lie down. Lie down. Wait. Yeah, see, this is that Brahma. This thing's gotta go. It's not good. Ren, lie down. Wait. Heel? Yes. Ah. Stay out of dust there a little bit. Whoa. Whoa. Ren, wait. Easy Smoke. Ren, Away. Away. Wrong. Away. What are you doing? Ren, away. Yes, go get it. Away. Good girl. There, wait. Wait. Lie down. Lie down. Good girl. Lie down. Wrong. Yes. Oh no. Oh no. Come on, little guy. You can figure it out. Ren, wait. Wait. Come on, bud. You can figure it out. Ooh. Ooh. All right, folks, gonna have to let you go so I can open this gate a little bit more so this calf can get by. And I'm not sure if I caught it in time, but opened the gate more and the calf just went down across the creek. Nope, crossing the creek. First time. First time for these calves in the water. I'll get it to cross the creek maybe. Come on, go with your mama. Come on, big guy. Ren, come here. Good girl. Easy, easy, easy. Lie down, lie down. Wait. Come on, calf. You better hurry up. It's the only way over there for you. Easton's trying to herd up the sheep. Come on, sheep. Sheep, come on. Let's go. Come on, sheep. Come on. Let's go. Got this gate shut so the cows wouldn't get out. So I gotta make sure I open that up, because I'm putting the sheep in with the cows for now. So, let's see if I can get them to follow me here. Easton's doing a darn good job. Sheep! Come on, sheep! Come on! Let's go! Come on, sheep! Come on, sheep! Let's go! Sheep! Come on! Sheep! Come on, sheep! Sheep! Come on, sheep! Sheep, come on! Let's go! Come on, sheep! Come on! Let's go, sheep! Look at Easton work. Good job, pal. Come on, sheep. Let's go. Come on, sheep. Come on, girls. Come on. Let's go, girls. Come on. Stay there, Ren. Good work, son. That was really well done. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But your saddle's a little bit too big.
Yeah, it's a little big for you, huh? That was pretty good work. Old Smoke did good for you, huh? Yeah. And the animals are now on Easton's baseball field. They won't be there long, boy. Long enough to mow it for you. What do you think? Yep. All right, so that concludes today. I started off this morning on the horse and brought him down from that backside. Brought him over here so that we can sort off that bull. And I don't know, is it that one up there by that brown cow on the left of the white pickup, or is it on the right of this gooseneck behind that baldy over there and the sheep? I can't tell from here which one it is. They basically look like twins, other than one's got bad feet and has one ear. So anyways, folks, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time at the Salt Creek Ranch.